Dear class, hope you all are fine and stay at home. Students, today we are going to start our next topic, that is the working with tables. First of all, we can start our chapter with the introduction part, that what is the meaning of tables and how we can insert a table. So, a table is an organized arrangement of text which consists of various rows and columns. So, if you want to make a table, it should be consist of various rows and columns. The intersection part of a column is row is called a cell. So, cell refers to a that part in which we have to enter a data and which consists the heading of a main topic. A table is very efficient and useful way to organize, manage and presenting a large amount of data and information. Like if we want to summarize any type of information, so we can get all the information from the tables. Why? Because table makes with the help of various rows and columns. For example, like product catalog showing descriptions, prices, characteristics, photograph of products, bill of invoices, list of name, address, etc. Like we can take example of your class. Your class register consists of various rows and columns which consist of serial number, roll number of student, name of student, father name, date of birth, present, absent. So these are the various example of tables. Now the question arises that how to insert a table. If you want to insert a table, first of all you have to open the MS Word software. After that there is an option of home, insert, page layout, etc. So you have to click on the button insert. So after clicking on the button insert, there are various type of options appears, but you have to click on the button table. Why? Because you have to insert a table. So to insert a new table, position the cursor in the document where you want to insert the table and then use the following methods for inserting a table. Like first of all the grid method. This is the pick of grid method, that how many type of rows and columns you want in your table. Then after choosing the rows and columns, you have to click on the button insert table. After clicking on the button, there is an one option appears, that OK. So you have to click on the button OK for inserting the table which consists of various rows and columns according to your own choice. So this is the way that how you can insert a table in your document. Now next one is the how to enter a data in your table. So you have to put the in the cell where you want to enter a data and type the data. So to move the next adjoining cell, either press tab or the right arrow key. So by clicking on all the options, you can enter a data. Like if I want to make a record of your class, so firstly I have to mention serial name, then in the next field roll number, then in the next field student name, etc. Like here you can see that here there is a table which consists of the employee name, its ID number, gender and destination. So this is the way that how you can make a table in the various forms. Now next one is that if you want to delete the cells, rows, columns, table, where you have to click. So there is an option of delete. So here there is an option of delete. So you can click on this button and then this type of option appears, like delete cell, delete column, delete rows, tables, etc. So according to your own wish, you can choose any one of the option for deleting the document or deleting the data or deleting a text from your document. So this is the way that how you can delete the rows, columns. Now next one is the printing a document, that after making all the records in the table, if you want to wish to print a document, then where you have to click. First of all, a printed output of a document or an image is called a hard copy. So from time to time you need a hard copy of your work. So just like a word processor, or if you want to keep your file safe, you must be have a hard copy of your documents. So for printing a document, you just simply click on the button file. Here there are the various type of options appear: save as, open, print, etc. But here you want to print a document, or you want to or you want a hard copy of your document, you have to simply click on the button print. So after clicking on the print button, this type of options appears. They want to ask from you that how many copies you want to print. So it is your choice that you have to mention the number of copies here, that how many copies you want. So this is the way that how we can print a document, how we can insert a table and rows and columns in a document.